Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at Fiddlers Ferry power station. We're gonna send it straight up and see what this place looks like.
Home point updated.
So that's 116 meters. Yeah. Still see the drone.
Max altitude reached.
Send it around this way. It's quite strong winds as well.
Max altitude reached.
So there used to be 8 towers, 8 cooling towers. Now there's only 4 remaining. The other 4 were brought down a couple of years ago nearly now, I think. Over a year ago anyway. These 4 are coming down the end of this year. The visibility was so poor on the day when the first 4 come down. It was just a very, very foggy, misty day. Couldn't see anything. I was parked there. There was a restriction, so I was over there. There was a barricade off and you couldn't even see the towers from there to here because it was that misty, so it's quite disappointing. So hopefully when these 4 come down it'll be a much nicer day. Let's bring it back round this way and have a look, see what we can see. Only got low battery, so we can only send it up for a couple of minutes like. See what we can see. They are replacing the old cooling towers for a more modern wind and solar
Max altitude reached.
energy. Just lost connection with the controller there, so we'll just face it this way. Yeah. I've actually emailed the manager of the place and spoke to him and asked if we could be notified when there's more equipment getting delivered, because it'd be good to see that. You can see where the old cooling towers used to stand. Yeah, all this is going to be changed to solar. Yeah, so we'll bring it back now because we're on 27%. It's going to start shouting at us in a minute. It's a massive site, as you can see, so I don't want to fly all the way around it. I want to keep the drone in eyesight.
Max altitude reached.
So we are down there. I feel like it's struggling. We're going to try and lower it, bring it back down safely. There's the alarm shouting at us. So let's get right overhead.
Landing.
Well, that's it guys, thanks for watching, see you again.